Current situation. Tank owners, like oil and gas operators, refineries, depot operators, etc., require a team of men on shift, 3 to 4 men per shift, using breathing apparatus to carry out cleaning inside of a tank, which is a tedious and very hazardous operation due to the presence of flammable hydrocarbons and toxic substances within a confined space. Some of the process safety risk associated with this include 1. Exposure of personnel in high risk, low oxygen, toxic environment, and 2. Potential for fire/explosion if operation is not correctly managed. Some of the operational risk are 1. High manpower requirements, emergency response team, sentry, fire teams, planning teams, which can affect other critical activities of the operation as they are tied up for confined space entry for tank cleaning. 2. High production downtime due to limitation for continuous human operations. Some OSHA, Occupational Safety and Health Administration, statistics. There were 431 confined space incidents with 530 fatalities in the US due to oxygen deficient and/or toxic atmospheres from 1992 to 2005. In 2010 there were 63 worker fatalities and 28 hospitalizations related to confined spaces. From the 1st of January 2011 to the 8th of January 2011, there were 22 worker fatalities and 3 worker hospitalizations related to confined spaces. Cleaning and inspection activities account for almost 1/4 of confined space related fatalities. Morganstone Energy Solution. Morganstone Energy's robotic tank cleaning with no man entry. The robot has the ability to 1. Clean crude storage and other hazardous above ground tanks with an ATEC 0 robot. With the robot, there is no man entry into the tanks. Robots are equipped with low pressure flushing and high pressure jetting capabilities. 2. The robots are fitted with ATEC 0 HD cameras, which allow for real-time monitoring, 24-hour operation and general visual inspection of the tank floor. 3. The robot is also designed with a soft metal auger for loosening solidified sludge without damaging the tank metal. The robot is designed with an integrated safety protection system that ensures the equipment can only operate when all safety controls are in place and functional. The key benefits of the tank cleaning robot are A. Elimination of personnel exposure due to confined space entry. B. Elimination of high manpower requirements, i.e. cleaners on shift, plus breath apparatus, sentry, ER and fire teams. C. Efficient cleaning of tank with 24-hour operation due to ATEC 0 LED lighting and HD cameras for real-time monitoring. D. Cost optimization due to less manpower requirements, which are freed up for other critical activities, faster turnaround times. E. Supports the asset integrity and processes safety improvement journey of clients through adoption of innovative technology.